match award goes to Navshad Shaikh for his brilliant 94 runs. He scored 8 sixers and 6 boundaries, and he also chipped in with 2 crucial wickets.
This is wonderfully driven. What a shot there. Classic shot. Best shot of the match so far from the bat of Shivam Chaudhary. Here goes Amit Yadav. This time Nitish Rana plays a lofted shot. And what a timing on the bat. A good connection with the ball. And straight away sending the ball. This time it would have been a wide delivery and not allowing the fielder to cut it off with the boundary. So Shivam Chaudhary once again freeing his arms. And projected score is 187, looking good for the betting side at the moment. Another lofted shot, and it's a big one. Your beauty, Shivam Chaudhary. Local channels. And this is once again, this is high, and out of here. That is Saurabh Kumar for you. He's a hard-hitting lad. Once again. And what a time to get a wicket. He's looking happy. Vikram Malik back on strike. This time, Suyash Prabhu. And what a catch. And what a wicket. Goa Tuskers have lost here. Would you believe it? This time, can he get boundary? No, the fielder will cut it off. So very slow. This time, is it? That's it? Yes, it is. So that's the end for the Goa Tuskers with ONGC.
And the award goes to Shivam Chaudhary of ONGC for scoring a fantastic 87 runs of 52 deliveries. He scored 3 sixers and 8 boundaries. A really well taken knock by Shivam Chaudhary.